99 and what number state is this?
We have to count it. I don't know.
Here, you want to take a picture of me taking a selfie with this sign?
Here, I'll take a picture of you. Yeah, there you go. Look, day 99 in front of the Connecticut. Nice. And you can actually see this picture live on Instagram.
Yeah. JJ Shep, 004.
JJ Shep, 004. All
All
right.
right.
Hashtag AT 2019. All right. Yeah. What's our mileage? Here.
1457.6.
Did you copy that?
1457.6.
Welcome to Connecticut. We got Smash. Smash is back. Which is awesome.
Happy to be back.
Yeah, we zeroed and we took a day. We narrowed into Pauling, and I didn't take any footage that morning. We did an 11 mile into Pauling, and then we zeroed, and Smash just showed up, and yeah, it's all good. Now we're hiking again. Bunny is in front of us, and hopefully when he's done visiting his family, we'll see him after that. So hopefully he's not with them too long, so that he can catch right back up.
Once it syncs up, and you'll have music playing for hours.
Wow, and that's just wasting your bed.
And then wonder why your headphones are dead and half of your battery under here.
Yeah.